Here's an interesting app called FAMEFY Virtual Live Streams with AI. So yes, pretty cool app where discover the acceleration of virtual startup with FAMEFY. You can step into captivating world of live streaming and connect with millions of AI-powered simulated viewers in real time. Just in this app. So imagine that you're on TikTok and you're a TikTok star who has millions of subscribers, and this app can just help you out to imagine what it's like to have like literally millions of subscribers and thousands of likes and all of that. But this is all like simulation. This is not real thing, but you can just use it for fun. You can use it to improve your self-confidence, or you can just make a screenshot and send it as a prank to your friends, so you can just record and share it. So it's pretty cool idea. And then also it has like either Instagram or TikTok experience layout, so that's just what it is. So this is the app, you can just allow it. And then it also now has some integration with ChatGPT. Then, as you can see, it has 3-day free trial, and then $7 weekly, or lifetime subscription for $35. So you can just select it now, and then basically this is the layout. So you can just do all your settings. Like if you can start it over for free, but then if you just want to get some additional features, like if you want to get verifications, if you just want to select more granular audience, so if you just want to add some more fans, so then you can just do all of this with premium. But here you can set it up like that. And then you can just set it up like all the settings, how many viewers you wanna have, and like what is the viewer arrival time, like do you want your viewers to arrive instantly, or like it's a bit more slower. So your live session will have only 500 people. Increase the count and boost your fame. So if you want to have like 400,000 like live viewers, of course these are not real viewers, this is like fake viewers just for yourself for this app, but you will need to pay these coins. And then if you want to buy coins, here's just what you need to do to buy these coins. And then here you have your theme. Just Instagram or TikTok. To use TikTok, you will need to upgrade again. And then gifts, you can also set it up to have some gifts you buy will be sent to you by AI viewers during your live session, creating a vibrant interactive experience. So basically in this app you kind of buy the gifts for real money, but then kind of your AI viewers send it to you. So that's interesting experience. And then also in top right you have option to record live stream. So you can just do all of that. Then you just have your profile. You can set up your username, so you can just set it up like, for example, just your name, and then you can do it for free. Whispers, I don't know, see what so that's, I don't know, some kind of AI feature. And then you can just try it out. So let's just so here in the top left you will see your coins. So let's just give it a try and see how this app might look like. So here if I just tap start, the fake live stream will start. So you can just stream with your real camera, but then like all the viewers are fake, so you just need to know it. And then basically you can start this stream, and then you can just do some more advanced stuff. You can ask hey, what is a good movie to watch? Hey, any other good movie you can recommend? So then basically this is how it looks like. You need to notice that all buttons are not pressable, but you have your bots in the bottom where you just kind of see you know, conversations, and with with ChatGPT these conversations are becoming better and much more natural. And then yeah, you can just enjoy this process. So just for this version you don't need to upgrade, as you see. And yeah, like, so you can really use this app just to practice, and just to improve your self-confidence and be prepared for the real Instagram. And maybe your real Instagram or TikTok streams will become better if you practice and do more of these streams, because yeah, you will just feel more relaxed and more comfortable talking to audience and all of that. So it can definitely work out. And then also, of course, you can just record and share it just to show to your friends that, like, 20,000 people watched you or something like that. So you can also do that. Yep. So basically, that's the process. You can give a try to this app. You can start with the free version and then later decide if you want an upgrade. I don't know if this app is available on Google Play, but yeah, it's just easy to end the session, and then yeah, you can see that 3 days free trial. You can easily just try it out for 3 days, and then $7 weekly. Yeah, so that's kind of more expensive. Does make sense. If you don't want to try it for, yeah, if you just want to try it for a week, that's fine, but then it's becoming too expensive. um, Build one $35. That's kind of a good deal which you can try. So just bring your attention, and then yep, there are a lot of really cool settings where you can just add specific types of viewers. You can, yeah, just customize all of these settings. Yep, currently it's only Instagram or TikTok. It's not available on Twitter or XApp, whatever. So just not there yet. But pretty cool idea. So thanks for watching. Put a like under this video. Uh, wow, and yeah, so something like that. Uh, as you can see, this app is just basically listening to you, and maybe that's why it's kind of creating these additional posts, which kind of, wow, this interesting feature which you can delete. But this is kind of people sharing kind of the things from your stream. So if you had some specific topic in your stream, people will kind of share it on social media. But again, these are bots. These are not real people. In this app, you just need to understand that, like, these are not real people. Don't take it too seriously. So that's just what it is. But yeah, there you have it.